everyone. On this session I'm going to show you how to use the toChar function in Oracle SQL. Before starting, please be sure that you have subscribed to our channel to get updated with all our new tutorial videos. So let's get started, and the first thing, I have prepared some examples to show the difference between these characters when we try to change the format of the date. The first example here, we are starting with select, then toChar. This is the name of the function which we are going to use. Then open brackets and mention the date here, then comma and the format which we need to show on the screen. This format should be between double quotes, as you see here, from the table. I'm using here the SYSDATE as an example. SYSDATE will show you the current system date, and table here is a dummy table which we can use to test some scenarios. So let's try the first line and show what is the output of this format. This one will show us the current year here. The second one, a year, will show us the year in a written way. If you run it, here we go. The third one, refers to the months. It should be all should be in double quotes. If we select this and run this one, it will be 08, because we are in August right now while recording this video. If we select a month, it will show the August in a written way. MON, it will show us August, but it will be only 3 characters. Try to run this one, August. DY will show the date of the week, which is Wednesday today. Let's try it. WED. Let's try the date. The day, sorry. Wednesday. And DD will show us the day, which is 16. Today is 16 August. Also, we can use the toChar function to transfer the date to a specific time. For example, this format, the HH is referring to hour, 24. This mention if the hours is 24 or 12. For example, after midnight, it will be 00 instead of 12, or instead of 1 o'clock. MI is a minutes, and SS here is a seconds. AM can refer to AM and PM. Let's try this one and run. Here we go. It is 11 o'clock right now, 11 o'clock morning. This is the hours, minutes, and the seconds. We can also add to this format some characters which we can edit manually. Like this example, we added off between DD and month, which will show us 16th of August. Let's try this out and run this one, 16th of August. And the last example here, it will show the day, or it will show the day on this format, 16th. Clear? Let's move to new example which will show us how to use it while using real data or data from a specific table. If we run this code here, this is select last name to character, and we try to transfer the hire date to this format. The format will show the off as manual input here, and this month and year and the day. Run this command, and here we go. Here we go, the 17th of June here, 21 of September, and so on. You may asking why of this FM. FM is dealing with some spaces, and if we remove it, it will put the default DD. For example, see here this 7th of February, it should be 07 as a default. This FM is removing the 07. Let's try this out after removing this FM. It contains 07. Let's put it again. It removed the 0. Clear? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.